up, everyone? Welcome to RentalTrader YouTube channel. I'm Margot, and if you're looking for tips and tricks for success as a vacation rental host, then you are in the right place. Here we spill industry secrets and cover tons of topics in the vacation rental space. This is an excellent choice if you don't own multiple properties, but are ready to start making money in the vacation rental industry. We'll reveal the steps you need to take to transform your basement from a dark, dank dungeon into a gorgeous, high-quality getaway. You might be tempted to just snap a few photos, type out a description, and list your basement on sites like RentalTrader and Airbnb, but not so fast, buddy. When you're working with a basement instead of a more typical vacation rental property, there are some special considerations to take care of. First, do a quick Google search on local planning, zoning, and tax requirements to ensure everything is legal and up to code. Now, if you're part of a homeowners association, double check that it allows vacation rentals. You definitely don't want your snooty next door neighbor stopping by to inform you that your budding business venture is strictly prohibited. Take my word for it.
Who do you think you are coming to this neighborhood?
Next, if you're going to be doing any major renovations in your basement, then get the necessary permits and licenses. This is especially important if you're planning to waterproof the basement. If you have any issues with water damage or flooding, then waterproofing is a step that you cannot skip. Don't skip it. Welcoming guests into a moist basement filled with mold and mildew is just gross, and it's sure to leave negative reviews, but it can also harm your guests' health. So let's go ahead and avoid that, shall we? Okay, good. Not only do you want to protect your guests from water, but there's another element you'll need to look out for: fire. That's right, make sure to install at least one smoke alarm and fire extinguisher in the basement. Again, be sure you're following local laws and codes. It's also wise to have a carbon monoxide detector as well. As you've undoubtedly heard before, it is always better to be safe than sorry. Each of your basement bedrooms will need an egress window and a closet to officially constitute a bedroom. Egress windows brighten up the space, and they also serve as emergency exits. Since guests will be staying in your home, insulating the basement ceiling, walls, and floors is a great idea because it cuts back on sound traveling between the basement and the main floor. Not for nothing, but you probably don't want to hear what your guests are getting up to, and the truth is, they don't want to hear you either. Plus, the insulation provides better climate control. Speaking of climate control, give your guests control over the basement's temperature by installing a separate thermostat and possibly a separate HVAC unit. Mini split air conditioner and heater systems are ductless and are very reasonable to install. You'll also want to provide fans, space heaters, and extra blankets to keep them comfortable. For the basement to be considered finished, you'll need to add drywall, flooring, and a private entrance. This makes your basement look much more polished. And the private entrance allows your guests to access the basement directly rather than having to walk through your living space and potentially interrupting your Netflix marathon. Hey, what are y'all watching today anyway? Go ahead and let me know in the comments. If you're planning on marketing your basement vacation rental to families, be sure to take some time to add extra safety features that will prevent the kiddos from running into any trouble. This means using outlet covers, choosing cordless blinds, and even adding rubber guards to furniture with sharp edges. Consider anchoring heavy items to the wall and lock up any cleaning supplies. You're almost ready to list your basement, but first you need to furnish and decorate it. Choose a theme or a cohesive interior design scheme to make the space more appealing and memorable. Stock up on amenities like bedding, towels, high-speed Wi-Fi, bathroom toiletries, and entertainment. Of course, my favorite. Then snap some high-quality photos, write up a stellar description, and list your basement on various vacation rental sites, and you're in business. One of the best sites to list your basement is RentalTrader, where our goal is to keep travel affordable for everyone. That's why it is absolutely free to list your booking, and for each booking, we only charge a flat 4.5% host fee. Other host sites charge 14% or more, but we would rather keep costs low and help our hosts maximize their profits. So what are you waiting for? Come on and join the revolution. Visit RentalTrader.com to get started. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. We are sure that your Facebook group of vacation rental hosts will absolutely love it. And also, do not forget to subscribe and click that bell icon, and you're gonna get notified every time we have more vacation rental industry info to share. Until next time, stay safe, stay positive, and say yes to adventure. Yes!